Hello everyone, in this tutorial of Blender we are going to learn something in Blender and recreate this pipe in Blender. So let's start. So what we need first? We need to create the first little part of this pipe. So we are going to recreate as I'm looking that I'm feeling like that this is the shape of pipe is similar to cylinder, so I will add cylinder and blend it, then I will rotate it in y-axis to 90 degree. Then what we will do, we will create this bump in pipe. How we will create? For that I will hide for now this, then I will scale it. Let me scale it, or I can extrude it from sides. Okay, I press E and you can see here it is extruded, but it is not extruding like that as I want. So what we will do, we will select extrude along normals, then we will extrude, then you can see it is extruding along normal. So the same thing we want here. Okay, so we will select the side faces, then we will do the same thing with these little bit. As you can see now this is looking like, this is little bit looking like an pipe which was similar to image. Let me show you. Oh, what has happened here? Take. Now you can see that the pipe is looking similar to that image. So that means our pipe shape is ready. But how we will design these patterns or shape, or we will mold this pipe like this? So for that we will use curve, we will use path. So let's customize path according to it, then we can do the same thing. How we will do, I will tell you everything word by word, step by step. I will tell you everything. Just z here and match these things, g, x, as I am matching these. As you can see, again it is, let me delete these, but this is, then we will extrude it, e then z axis, again ez, then what I will do, I will move it g, then I will press x. As you can see, now the shape of path is matching the pipe pattern. Again, now we will do here something, x, then e, then z, then again e, then x, then again e, then z. Okay, let me move it little bit in x-axis. Now e, then again z, now e, then x. We will press, now again e, now again e, then z axis, now again e, then z axis, then we will move in x axis to the vertex. As you can see, the shape is coming here. Although this is the main shape, and I will suggest you to create shape in Blender by own, so that you may know or understand how these things are working over here. Okay, so now what we will do, we will shape this pipe according to this curve. How? Let me hide first image, then what I will do, I will make it to center. Let me set origin to geometry, no, let me origin to 3D cursor. Okay, the origin of this would be at 3D cursor, but I do not want this. What I want is origin to geometry I want, then I will zero it, all the things I will make 0 0. Okay, then what I will do, I will also zero all the numbers from here. Location x would be 0, location y would be 0, location z would be 0. Now we will use or play with some modifiers which I am going to tell. In this we are going to play with two modifiers. Remember, two modifiers. One is curve modifier and the second is array modifier. Okay. So what is the work of array? Array creates multiple multiple copies of the same object. Okay, but for now we are not going to understand the all the things, offset method, everything. We will discuss it later. Okay, so now let's shape it. Now also curve, I will add curve modifier, then select. Now you will understand how the things are working. Okay, 0 and 1 from here. As you can see the how the things are working, it is not looking pretty good. Why it is not looking pretty good? Because our object, our real object doesn't have enough edges or enough vertices to make it or move smoothly. So what we will do, we will select everything from A, then press button, right mouse button, then subdivide. Three times would be enough. Now let's see how it works. As you can see, let me smooth it also. Shade auto smooth. Now you can see it is looking perfect. Okay, now it is. Let me connect it. It is looking perfect. The shape is okay, but the what is the problem here? Our path is not scaled that wise it is connecting or overlapping, we can say. So what we will do, we will scale it, not the object. We will scale the path. So let me scale. Now the thing would work perfectly, but there's some issue, so we scale it like this. Now the thing should work properly. As you can see, now everything is working perfectly. Now if I increasing the count, there's none error. So this is how we create a pipe in Blender using curve, array modifier and curve modifier. Okay, so I hope that you understand this, and in next video I will tell you that how to move any object on path. Okay, so stay tuned for that video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. We will work on Fiverr, how we will get our first client. We will also see that. So if you have not subscribed the channel, so I will suggest you to subscribe Rex channel. Okay, so bye bye.